Hi, I'm Belly Dance with Talia, and today we're going to work on some hand movements called finger ripples. First of all, you're going to start with the hands out, and you're just going to think of the wrists coming up and down, up and down. And the fingers just stay out as this happens, up and down, up and down. So we're going to think of every set of knuckles. So our wrist is going to come up, and then the big set of knuckles comes up, and then the next set of knuckles, and then the last set of knuckles. So it comes down, and then up, 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 down, up, up, up. So what you want to avoid is you don't want the fingers to come in, and you don't want to make like a little fist. You want to make sure that the fingers stay out, and it undulates down the hand. So your wrist is still coming up and down, up and down, up and down. And the fingers pretty much stay together, except for the thumb, which kind of just stands out to the side and doesn't really do much. And your pinky doesn't really do too much either. But you just want to think of it undulating down. And I like to think of seaweed, just like your hands are in the ocean and it's like seaweed floating in the water. Up, down, up, down, up, down. So come out to the sides. And again, you're thinking of the knuckles, rolling down the knuckles. And we're going to do different patterns with this. So we're going to come forward with the hands, and you're going to go out and in with the wrist and come towards the body. And when you do that, then you're going to swoop around and come again into the body. And you notice the elbows come open, so you don't want to be sucked in with your elbows in. You want to keep your elbows out to the sides and pull it in. We'll do that a couple of times, and then we're going to bring it up above the head, and then in and out, coming down. And again, same thing, it rounds up, and then in and out with the wrist coming down. And up, in and out, in and out. Remember, the fingers stay up as much as possible. So we will come forward and do it, and then we'll come up and come down. There's other things you can do to practice. You can put them on top of each other like this. Just make sure the elbows are out, so you don't want saggy elbows, right? You want your elbows to be up and lifted, and you can come apart and open. So let's go ahead and try this with a little bit of rhythm. So 5, 6, 7, 8. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at taliamedance@yahoo.com. Also, don't forget to leave a comment and to subscribe.